Dear students, good morning. Today, I would like to brief you all about the One Mahotsav week celebration. As you all know that One Mahotsav week is celebrated every year in the first week of July month. This festival can also called as the Forest Festival. It is the annual tree planting festival. In this festival, thousands and thousands of plants, saplings are planted all over the country. The main aim of this festival is to spread awareness of forest conservation and to save our environment, because trees and plants always helps us in maintaining ecological balance and providing us with oxygen to all human beings on this planet. This festival is a reminder to all that we must protect forests and stop deforestation and practice the 3R rule. During this week, school going children, ordinary children, elders found planting saplings and taking active participation in plantation drive and promoting awareness regarding the importance of trees. Even our present Union Minister Prakash Javadekar ji today planted sapling, and he said that India has set a target of creating an additional 2 billion carbon sequestration by 2030. The history of this festival can be traced back to 1947, when a Punjabi botanist M.S. Randhawa, he started this One Mahotsav on 20th July to 27th July 1947. The then Delhi Police Commissioner Khurshid Ahmed Khan inaugurated the first event of One Mahotsav on July 20th, 1947, and he traced the impact of deforestation on flora and fauna. So children, let us all take the pledge that we all will follow and continue this practice forever, and give the message to our coming generations to adhere to it. I hope all my children will spread this message and make this earth safe for living. Thank you.